Welcome to my channel. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas 2025. And I am just about to step inside and pick up a quick dinner. I've been dying to try out the Festive dinner that I've seen advertised so many times, and I haven't really actually tried this particular one yet, so that's where I'm off to right now. And a little later on, we're going to be talking about Christmas trees and all the different kinds of Christmas trees that are out there. What's your favorite kind? Everybody, I'm home now, and as you can see, I'm ready to dig into my turkey, my festive turkey sub, and it came with some delicious, two actually delicious caramel pecan cookies, and I'm only gonna have a bite, and I want to make sure that my cavities stay as minimal as I can possibly keep them. And so here we go with the bite. It did come with a drink, but I declined the drink, and the whole thing came to 11 something. So that's not bad. guys, I'm back, and what a delicious submarine sandwich that was. The Festive special is absolutely something that you have to try. And now a little bit about the history and ecology of different types of pine trees. I couldn't obviously target every single one category of different pine trees, but I'm going to throw out a couple at you, and they are probably the most famous around. Let's start with the Scotch pine. The Scotch pine is native to Eurasia, and it's the only pine native to Northern Europe, ranging from Western Europe to Eastern Siberia, south to the Caucasus Mountains and Anatolia, and north to the inside of the Arctic Circle. Wow. It is widely used in the Christmas tree trade and has been for hundreds of years. And so it's got a very distinct shape to it as well. It's beautiful. The Scotch pine is absolutely amazing to look at. It's an evergreen pine whose height can span up to about 115 feet tall, but the tallest to record is 153 feet, and it's over, 700 years old. Wow, that's pretty old. And it is particularly noted for a very orangey red bark, which actually turns grayish brown as it matures over the years. So that's so interesting. Another species of pine tree is the European silver fir. And the silver fir is native to the mountains of Europe, from the Pyrenees north to Normandy and east to the Alps and the Carpathians, Slovakia, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Serbia, and south to Italy, Bulgaria, Kosovo, Albania, and northern Greece. The silver fir has very flat and thick needles of a glossy and dark green color. And these trees usually have two greenish-white bands below, and the glossier, darker ones are above. And so that's very interesting. The Monterey pine is native to the central coast of California and Mexico. It is very quick growing and widely used for lumber and timber. It is, however, an endangered species of pine, endangered by a fungal parasite, which is called or known as the pine pitch canker moth. Wow. It grows up to 200 feet tall. Let's do a couple more. The bishop pine is an everest pine with a very restricted range of where it grows. And it's mostly found in California, including several offshore Channel Islands and a few locations in Baja California, Mexico. Its color is very blue-green to green, so that sounds very nice. Its needles are yellowish green, and I guess the more mature trees, the needles are grayish green, and they are clumped in pairs. Last one, guys. The loblolly pine, that's a cute name, is native to the southeastern United States, from East Texas to Florida, and north to southern New Jersey. The wood industry classifies the loblolly pine as a species, the southern yellow pine. It's known as the southern yellow pine. So it's related to the Texas, I guess it identifies very strongly. It is identified very strongly with Texan plants and trees and flowers. And so it grows 98 to 115 feet tall, and its needles are in clusters with a reddish brown bark. How interesting. And so a couple of other species are known as the Norway spruce and the European beech pine. And so that's about all I'm going to give to you tonight. That was very interesting. And all of these beautiful trees have a very distinct look and smell to them. And my favorite, I don't know if it's one of these that are mentioned, but I know it as a princess pine with long, feathery pine needles, and it's absolutely beautiful. But of course, all of these beautiful trees shed their pine needles very, very rapidly. And so it's kind of difficult to have them around the house. But I know that they smell beautiful and they look beautiful. And so I hope that you have enjoyed this little discussion on pine trees. And I don't know if I will throw anything else at you like this throughout Vlogmas. We'll have to see. Thank you so much for listening and watching.